Maybe sometimes you get tired of studying Chinese. I know. So today, let's take a break and find our motivation back. Let's see a story. The evolution story of one Chinese character, sheng. See how it was invented in the first place, and other words grew from this root later over time. With this example, you will see the fun and easy part of Chinese again and study more confidently. This is how it looked when this character was invented in the first place. Sheng. Use your imagination. What do you think it is? Yes, it was the image of a sprout coming out of the ground. That is the very original meaning of this character. We still can see this meaning in the word 生长, grow or growth. It's an advanced word. 生长. Okay, now let's see how other words grow from this root. So the root meaning is a plant coming out of the ground. It extended to the meaning of come out, appear. You can see it in words such as 生病, be sick, get sick. 生病, 我生病了, I'm sick. 生病. Also in the word 发生, it means happen. 发生. We see the character 生. Also in the advanced word 生产, to produce. 生产. In all this word, the character 生 means come out, appear. And from the meaning of come out, it keeps extending. It also extended to the meaning of give birth to or birth. I'm sure you know this one. 生日, birthday. You see, 生 is here. 生日. 生日快乐. Happy birthday. 生日快乐。她生了一个女孩。She gave birth to a girl. 她生了一个女孩。So from one root, it grows more and more meanings. Okay, this one is very interesting. Make sure you follow it. We just saw it means birth, right? From here, it developed a very interesting meaning. It means young boy. So 生 in ancient time, it was a way to address young man, young boy. That is why we have the word 学生, student. So 学 is study, 生 is young man. So 学生, student. Same with 医生, doctor. 医 means cure. 生 a way to address young men in ancient time. Interesting, right? Do you wish you know all this since the beginning of your Chinese study? Yeah, it will make it so much easier. But still, it's not too late. The good news is, with almost 2 years of hard work, we designed a big course in which you can learn this kind of knowledge that you normally don't see in any other courses. In this course, I teach you the 500 essential Chinese words with explanations of each character and 500 common sentences by telling you the meaning and grammar function of each word. It's like you have a private teacher beside you, making sure you have no doubt. Check out for more information about the course in the description box. So let's continue. We saw the character 生 had the meaning of birth, right? So it easily extended to the meaning of to live, life. We can see it in the word 生活, life. 生活，我很喜欢现在的生活。I like my life now. And from the meaning of life, to live, it extended to raw, unprocessed, fresh, not cooked. So in the supermarket, you will see 生鸡肉. It's raw chicken, not cooked. 生鸡肉. And from raw, unprocessed, it keeps extending. It extended to the meaning of not contacted, unfamiliar. So we have the word 陌生人. It means stranger, people you don't know. 陌生人. And in your Chinese class, maybe the teacher tell you to learn some 生词. It means new word. 生词. That you didn't know it before. It's not familiar to you. So from the example of this character 生, you know how the Chinese language evolved. From a root, it extends and grow other related meanings. It's also a very good exercise for your brain to understand the logics. If you know the evolution story of each character, it will make it so much easier when you learn a new word. So, are you happy now? I hope you are, and I hope you are more motivated to continue studying Chinese. So, if you like this kind of video, you can tell me in the comment section so I can make more videos like this. 好，那谢谢你收看我的视频，我们下周再见。Thanks you so much for watching. I will see you next week. 再见。